everybody, welcome to English class in Strip channel.
English class with teacher Sabah. So today we are going to learn about how do animals move. Some animals run, R-U-N, run. Some animals walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Some animals hop, H-O-P, hop. Some animals swim, S-W-I-M, swim. Some animals fly, F-L-Y, fly. Some animals slither, S-L-I-T-H-E-R, slither. Some animals crawl, C-R-A-W-L, crawl. This is a cheetah, cheetah. Cheetah run very fast. This is an elephant. Elephant walk very slow. This is a rabbit. Rabbit hop high. This is fish. The fish swim in the water. This is a bird. A bird can fly so high. This is a snake. The snake slithers on the ground. This is a turtle. The big turtle crawls very slow. That's all for today. See you next time. InsyaAllah. Assalamualaikum.
Terima kasih kerana anda telah like, share dan subscribe serta tekan tombol loceng. Bye, jumpa lagi di video akan datang.